its own set of challenges. So whether it's a few years or a larger age gap, dating a younger man often means navigating different life stages, definitely expectations, and perspectives. Let's take a closer look at the pros and cons of dating a younger man from this article in marriage.com. Take it away, Simber.
Oh, really?
What are you doing, my thing?
Okay. Number one, younger men are often physically driven. What you should know about dating a younger man is that they generally have more physical energy. Although that's what the article says. Although there will be little difference in energy levels between a 20-year-old and a 25-year-old, a 25-year-old and a 30-year-old. If you go beyond the early 1930s, I think this is 30s, it should say, you will see some notable differences, right? Mm-hmm. Generally accepted, says the article, by several studies, that men tend to go a little faster than women. So if you're a woman in your 30s and you're fitter than average, you may find that men grow older or a little older. Men can grow older or a little older and they don't keep up with you. A man about 5 years younger may be able to make as many laps in certain areas as you would want, and may be more inclined to take the streets for a quick run more often.
That's a no for me. Listen, well, of course, I mean, this is coming from this person's perspective, because I got to tell you, sometimes you see some of these young men, you got to wonder.
What do you wonder, say, Harris? What are you wondering?
If the grabber they grab, that's grab them. If the grabber they grab them. Because they are sluggish, barely moving, no, I gotta tell you, I think Tingle and Soldier have more energy than a lot of these young men that I have come across.
It's true. And are fitter.
I gotta tell you.
And are fitter.
I gotta tell you.
Yeah.
So that one's a no.
Yeah. Younger men usually have fewer responsibilities. Is that good or bad? Older men often have responsibilities like children or a stressful job to worry about, but the younger you go, the less likely these aspects of life would be. But that often leads to another problem, don't it? Yeah, you know what?
Maybe I get what they're saying.
It depends on what you're looking for. If you're looking for a good time, then obviously it's somebody who don't business with responsibility or anything else. But I mean, but also because I met young men who are responsible enough to say, I don't have any children yet because I don't think that I am able to take care of them. So I guess it depends on why they're responsible. To me, if you're going to be responsible, you're going to be responsible. Whether you have children. In your 20s or your 30s, you have to be responsible. No, but there's some 40-year-old who have children and them don't know them. True. So that's what I'm saying. You're going to be responsible if you're responsible, whether you have children or you don't have children. And for me, if you're dating someone who is older that has children, but they exhibit to you that I have children, but I am responsible for them, I admire somebody like that. Mm-hmm. You know, that's a green flag for me, that this person is a responsible person. You can be older, you say you have children, and me I say, so, no time at all, me not hear you say, you got to look for the children. School not open, me not hear you say, no school book I go buy. What's going on? Like, dude. So, yeah. I'm generally wary of...
Too free.
Too free? Too free? Like you don't have nothing in your life that you're responsible for in your 30s?
Not even.
What kind of life? Are your parents taking care of you?
Not even rent.
I don't know about that.
Yeah.
Younger men are less likely to be cynical. Is that true?
Oh.
Is that true?
Again, it comes down to... Because
if you have gone.
Yeah, it's saying if the man you are with is a few years younger than you, then if you have much less relationship experience than him, he probably has not dated seriously. Older men are often cynical in terms of relationships in general, although they still desire camaraderie. Some may be quite suspicious of you and expect you to do something that an ex did, or not put much effort into a relationship like they did in the past, so it seems they are not very interested. That can be likely.
Can be likely. Or they may have had a great relationship in the past, so they know what a great relationship is. Or they may have learned, ooh, I watch a show called Cheat, Unfinished Business. Oh my God.
That show was everything. I binged it so hard. I thought my TV was going to break. That show was something. Harris.
All I was praying the whole time is that Craig did not have Jamaican parents.
My God.
Let me watch a show. I said, please, 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 please.
For real?
Please, please. Let Craig not have Jamaican parents. Let them not say it's a typical Jamaican man because it's not true.
I need to go watch a show there.
Yeah.
Younger men can worship the ground on which you walk.
That's the reason you want to date them?
They can also trample you on said ground, let me tell you.
But why would you want somebody to
Worship the ground on you. Yeah.
I want you to admire me for sure. I don't know about it. While outsiders sometimes mock a partnership with older women, younger men, the man himself often gets a wave of self-confidence because he could hook up with an older woman, especially when his friends praise him for it. Is it self-confidence or is it... Look at Maggie talking ring games. Maggie and Brandon. Be careful, though, that you should not stay with a younger guy you do not particularly care about because of such benefits, as that's pretty superficial. So, Ima brag say, "Ma date an older woman, no superficial, though." If you do not enjoy that special attention or feel he meets you for the ego boost, or you feel he meets you for the ego boost, it's time to talk to him. Disadvantages. Do we have enough time? Younger men can behave childishly. Younger men can be at a loss in terms of relationships. I'm speeding through. Younger men sometimes lack a full-time job. Elders judge younger men couples. Listen, whatever makes you happy.
Whatever floats you, you know that me not gonna say. Yeah.
Find the person with whom you connect the most. And
ask them for the H paper after.
Happy, be happy.
The end. That's it for Girl Talk.
What's a younger man, though? I met an 80-year-old who was dating a 60-year-old man. And she said, I'm a cougar.
She is. Well, a happy cougar.
Well, in my 60s, so that's it for Girl Talk. After the break, the Jamaica Horticultural Society celebrates 70 years. Wow. How beautiful.